Do you ever look at a multiplication problem with large numbers and feel a bit overwhelmed? You're not alone. Many students find long multiplication intimidating. But what if I told you that your brain is actually designed to make these problems much easier? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing mental math technique called the split strategy. The split strategy is all about breaking down a scary number into smaller, friendlier pieces that are easy to multiply in your head instead of working with one big chunk. We'll use place value to our advantage. We're going to look at two different ways to do this. One using addition and one using subtraction. Let's jump into our first example. Let's take the problem 43 times 7. At first glance, it looks tough, right? But let's split that 43 apart. Think about its place. Value 43 is really just 40 and 3. Now, we just multiply both of those parts by 7 separately. First, the tens. What is 40 times 7? Well, 4 times 7 is 28, so 40 times 7 must be 280. Hold that number in your head for a second. Now, the ones. 3 times 7 is 21. To get our final answer, we just combine them. 280 plus 21 gives us a total of 301. See? No paper or pencil needed. Now, sometimes a number is actually closer to the next 10. Look at 30, 7 times 7. We could do 30 and 7, but there's an even faster way. 37 is very close to 40. It's actually just 40 minus 3. This is the subtraction version of the split strategy. Let's multiply again. 40 times 7 is 280, and times 7 is 21. But wait, because we started with a higher number 40, we need to take that extra bit away. So, we calculate 280 minus 21. If you take away 20, you're at 260, and one more makes 259. Both ways work perfectly, so you can choose whichever feels more natural for you. The best way to get fast at this is to practice. Mental math is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. I want you to try one right now. Look at the screen. 52 times 6. Think about how you would split 52. Would you go with 50 and 2? Take a moment.